have a plus b squared equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So we have here a binomial square. So this is equal to the first term square plus 2 times the first times the second plus the second term square. So the first term is 4m squared. I'm going to copy here. Also here the same. The second term is 5n cubed. 5n cubed. Okay? So this is equal 4 squared. 4 times 4 is 16. M square square is m with exponent 4 plus 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 5, 40. I'm going to copy the letters m square n cube plus 5 squared is 25. N cube squared is n6. N with exponent 6. Okay? I'm going to explain you again. We have a binomial square. This is the first term square plus 2 times the first times the second plus the second term square. Remember, the first term in this case is 2, 4 with exponent 2. Sorry, 4m squared. That's the first term. You have to copy the same here. And the second term is 5n cubed. It's the same here. Okay. Remember, here is very important to apply the laws of exponents. So 4 squared is 16. M squared is m with exponent 4. Plus 2 times 4 is 8. Times 5 is 40. M squared n cubed. Plus 5 squared 25. N with exponent 6. Second example. Again, we have plus square. So it's the first term square plus 2 times the first times the second term plus the second term square. In this case, the first term is 8x squared y. Again, 8x squared y. And the second term is the number 1. So this is equal 8 squared is 64. 8 times 8, 64. X squared is x with exponent 4. Y squared plus 2 times 8, 16 times 1, 16. X squared y plus 1 squared is 1 times 1, 1. Okay. Next example. We have again a binomial. So the first term plus 2 times the first times the second plus the second term square. The first term is 7a squared b cubed. Again, 7a squared b cubed. And the second term is 5ab. 5ab. So we are going to solve 7 times 7, 49. A square 4. B, 3 times 2, 6. Plus 2 times 7, 14. 14 times 5 is 70. Now a squared times a1, you have to add the exponents. 2 plus 1, 3. B cubed and b1 is b with exponent 4. You have to add the exponents. Plus 5 times 5, 25. 5 squared is 5 times 5. Remember, both letters have to be a square, both of them. Let's review. This is very special, okay? So we have here a plus b, sorry, the first expression plus the second square. This is equal to the first square plus 2 times the multiplication of both plus the second term square. Remember, I use parentheses in all of these situations because parentheses is not going to let me to forget when I have to apply the exponents. So 7 squared is 49, a squared is 84, b cubed squared is b6, plus 2 times 7, 14 times 5 is 70. A squared, remember, a squared with a is a cubed. B cubed with b is b with exponent 4. You have to add, in this case, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 5 squared is 25, a squared, b squared. Now let's solve the next situation. We have a binomial square, so this is equal the first square plus 2 times the first times the second plus the second square. So the first term is x with exponent 8, so you're going to copy here and here, and the second is 10y cubed, you just copy here as well, 10y cubed, and this is equal x with exponent 8 and 2 is 8 times 2, 16, plus 2 times 10, 2 times 10 is 20, x with exponent 8, y with exponent 3, plus 10 squared is 10 times 10 is 100, y 3 times 2, 6. So the answer has 1, 2, 3 terms. I'm going to explain you again. We have this binomial square. This is the first square plus 2 times the first times the second plus the second square. So the first term is x with exponent 8 and the second term is 10y cubed, 10y cubed. Okay? X with exponent 8 and 2, you have to multiply between the exponents. 8 times 2, 16. Look at this, 16. Plus, because you have plus. 2 times 10 is 20. X with exponent 8, y cubed is here. Look at this. And finally, 10 squared is 100. Y with exponent 3, and after with exponent 2, you have to multiply. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, that's not difficult. That's very easy. Let's work the last example. Again, we have a binomial square. The first term square plus 2 times the first times the second plus the second term square. The first term is 5x cubed. 5x cubed. The second is 4y squared. 4y squared. So the answer is going to be equal. 5 squared is 25. X, 3 times 2, 6, plus, because here is plus. 2 times 5, 10, times 4, 40. 40x cubed y squared, plus, because you have 5, plus. 4 squared is 16. 2 times 2, 4. Remember, you have a binomial here, square, the first term square plus 2 times the first times the second plus the second term square. 5 squared, 25, x cubed square, x with exponent 6, because 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10, times 4 is 40. 40. X cubed and y squared, you just copy. Cube, this is the number 3. Plus, plus. Remember, here you have another plus because you have plus here. 4 squared is 16y, 2 times 2 is 4. Finally, I would like to finish to remind you that please subscribe, okay? And also, a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared, okay? Great.